Welcome to another RCM Level 4 playback video. This is example weekly test number 13. This example is in A major. Go ahead and play an A major triad along with me. This example is in a 3/4 time signature and has 3 measures in length. Go ahead and tap your foot along with me as I play. I will play the example 2 times. 1, 2, 3, here I go. Did we start on Do? Did we end on Do? Second time. 1, 2, 3, here I go. Okay, go ahead and play that back. For the answer, turn to page 48 of RCM's Level 4 4-star Sight Reading and Ear Test book. Thank you.